Hello, Fáilte. Welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time here, you're very, very welcome. This is myself, Lora O'Brien, and I'm a Draoi working in Ireland, from Ireland, if you can't tell by the accent. And you can find out more on loraobrien.ie or the irishpaganschool.com, which I'm the co-founder of. So today we are going to be looking at curses in Irish. And this is a follow-on from our blessings in Irish. So blessings is Mallachtaí and curses is Mallachtaí. And I've done up a couple of slides like I did in the other video. And I'll pop that up there somewhere so you can have a look at that as well. And the slides today are, what you'll see is let me actually just show you. What you're going to see is the curses in Irish from the irishpaganschool.com. This is the Mallachtaí. This is the source here. I'll put a link to that below as well. So what you're going to see is the Irish language pronunciation and the Irish language which I'm going to pronounce. This is modern Irish. And then the English translation below. And we're going to have a little look at all of the ins and outs of it as well. So curses in Irish, Mallachtaí. And we're going to start with damnú ort. So that means damnation on you. So it's damnú ort. So what we do have in our cursing arsenal is there's quite a bit that's about the devil and the and to hell and all that kind of stuff. So I have cut out a little bit of that and I've replaced, which we're going to see, I've made a little substitution for the modern Irish pagans among us, or just people who are, want to be in line with the spirit of the Irish tradition, which is very much this little substitution. So that's going to come at the end, all right? So make sure you stick around for that. So we've got damnú ort, damnation on you. Lusca is dó ort, scorching and burning on you. So both kind of hell related, right? Lusca is dó ort. We have Gomera on jowl leshu. May the devil take you with him. Gomera on jowl leshu. So as I said, the devil kind of appears quite a bit in Irish cursing. It was the ultimate kind of, may the devil take you with him. So we still see versions of this in English, which is like, the devil take you and all that kind of stuff. But, and jowl is, I believe, so my pronunciation is a standardized Irish schoolgirl pronunciation that I learned when I was a schoolgirl all those many years ago. And it's a mixture mostly between Munster and Connacht Irish, and I believe jowl is Connacht Irish, I believe, pronunciation. Now, I could be wrong, and I'm sure somebody will get in the comments and correct me. Correct me. So, Gomera on jowl leshu. Danam dun jowl. Your soul to the devil. So Anam is a word that a lot of people will be familiar with from John O'Donoghue's Anam Cara book. It's all right, but wouldn't be. It's a bit romanticized, put it that way. It's grand though. It's grand book, grand, nice, pleasant book. So Danam, do Anam, your soul. Danam, dun jowl, your soul to the devil. That was pretty hectic now for somebody who believes in, transmigration of souls. Palingenesis would be the technical term for it, or reincarnation as it's more commonly called, as I do in my native Irish tradition of spirituality. So Danam dun jowl, and the devil there could be replaced by any god name really you wanted to put in. I'm not going to start naming gods now. I think that'd be bringing a little bit of Mallachtaí on myself now, a little bit of cursing on myself if I started naming gods. But like I said, I have done one substitution. I wasn't brave enough to substitute a god in for the devil, to be honest. So if you want to do that, then that is entirely up to you, and make your peace with the contracts that you're putting on your deities, I would say, and there's plenty more on the channel if you want to learn more about that. My contracts with the Mórrígan, and there's a whole Mórrígan playlist there, so make sure you have a look at that if you're interested in such things. But for the standard Irish cursing, what we have is Donam Dun Jowl. Now, Mucha is ba earth, smothering and drowning on you. We're starting to get a bit more visceral. Mucha is ba earth. And Maravashk earth. So it's a death shroud, basically, or a death. Not sure what foshk would be literally, but Marav is definitely death. So translates as a shroud on you. So a death shroud on you. Maravashk earth. And the father here is very important. It elongates the A there. So you'll hear that Maravashk. And the H here, the Shevu, is Lanishan, and it changes the F. So you don't have a foshk sound, you have oshk sound. It kind of silences the consonant that's before it, generally. Sometimes, as in the case of the B, I'm getting into a little bit of grammar here, but sometimes in the case of the B, it'll make it into a V or a W sound, again, depending on your dialect. So Marav, that wouldn't be Marb. So the H is called a shevu, and it can change how the letter in front of it sounds. So a little bit of an extra grammar lesson for you there. Basic, very basic. Maravashk earth. Now this is the one I changed out, right? This was on jowl as well. But what we have here is Godakta Nashihu. And I'm feeling brave enough for this one, but I think that this is, you know, in line with what the she might want. They might appreciate it. So what it says is, may the F word, the good neighbors, the other crowd themselves, the fairies. So may they choke you, basically. Godachta na shihu. Kind of liked it. I don't know. That'd be bringing out the big guns now, as far as I'm concerned. So I think this one is one of those words that came in with, you know, modern English to Irish kind of stuff. So it's fakal lat. Again, you have to be careful with the fada here, fakal, because without the fada that could be, well, without the I as well, but without the fada that would be basically words, plural would be the translation, fakal. F-O-C-A-L is word singular, and F-O-C-A-I-L, I believe, is words plural. So that's not what we're saying, words to you. What we're trying to say is F off. So I have put the full full curse word here. So it wouldn't be the first time now, and I guarantee it won't be the last time that I say a curse word on this channel, a sweary word as I often call them. So fuck off is fakal lat. Fakal lat. Now, and I kind of like this one. It kind of like within this is the older version of it, I suppose. Within the modern vernacular, it's translated as go fuck yourself, right? What it literally means is go across yourself. And it's te trasna earth fain. Te trasna earth fain. So go across yourself. Te trasna earth fain. And our T's are a little bit soft generally. Te, trasna, earth, fain. We kind of have a bit of a soft T going on in Irish, so, and indeed in our Irish accents. So that's one to watch out for. So that is it. We're going to end there. I have put in the same amount of curses as I did blessings, just to make sure things are balanced. And you can find more like this at the irishpaganschool.com, which is your authentic connection to Ireland. There's some free courses up there. There's one on the 3 truths about Ogham, and there is one on guided journeying and meditation with lots of free guided journeys for you to try as well. So make sure you check all that out. If you're interested, I'll stop this share here and come back to you. And if you want more like this, more Irish language pronunciation, please comment below and let me know. And make sure that you hit the bell and subscribe, well, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, because I don't really make videos on a set schedule. Try and make them at least once or twice a week. Sometimes more, sometimes less, in fairness. But if you hit the bell, if you subscribe and hit the bell, then you will absolutely get the notification when it's coming up. And you can also go and join the mailing list at irishpaganschool.com, or my own name, lauraobrien.ie. Okay, so slán go fóill, and I will see you in the next video.